Hi, Ray Hayden here, and this video is going to be an unboxing video of all things. What I needed to do was pick up some kind of a battery battery charger for the zero-turn lawnmower, because I jumped on that thing, turned the key, and it kind of laughed at me. So maybe I shouldn't leave the key in the ignition on that when I'm not here. But anyway, so I went out to the auto parts store, and I was expecting to get something that looked like a little tiny lunchbox or something, which is like the tender I have for my motorcycle back at the house in South Florida. But this is, no affiliation. Nobody's paying me for anything or anything like that. And I really can't write a review on it. I'm just saying what this device is. It basically just plugs right into the wall. And then it has a cable that extends out and connects up to where the battery is. So I'm just going to yank this thing out of here. Oh, good. Nice. Now, this is an unboxing I like. Now, my understanding is that this cable here should be pretty long. The gentleman in the area I'm at, they just had a motorcycle week up here, sponsored by the city and all that. It's a thing. It's not Daytona. It's a different part of the state. Anyways, this looks kind of long enough. Looks pretty good. And then on top of that, we have, it has a safety cap on it. Let me bring this over here. This part just plugs into the wall. There's the United States, and that's the kind of plug we have. This is very, very light, so that's kind of a bonus too. This thing here has this nice little cover built right into it. It's permanently attached, permanently-ish attached. This little cover comes off, and then we can plug in the other device of our choice. And this is the kind of interesting part of it. And this is the part I'm going to be using right now on the lawnmower, is that I'm going to make this connection here. So basically you can only connect it one way. That's the only way it can go, which is nice. I like it when things are like that. So very nice, easy connection. Nice. Ooh, that's a nice firm connection. Nice. You really got to use a little muscle to get it apart. And again, I should have probably done that where you can see it. It only goes together one way. So you can't do it wrong. That's awesome. With that, I don't know what this will look like here. It's probably a fuse of some sort. Yeah, it is. So there's a built-in fuse here for safety. That's nice. So those are easy enough to get. But these are the little alligator clips, the old-fashioned alligator clips you put on the battery itself. I'm going to go make that connection on the battery. Maybe down the road I'll show you what that looks like. But the other thing that's kind of exciting about this one here is it has this adapter here. Now, for this adapter, what you can do is you take the red and the black and you connect them permanently to the battery. Now, I wouldn't do this for the lawnmower because there's a whole lot of dirt and grass and fire hazards and stuff to get in there. But for the motorcycle, I was looking for this kind of a solution where you'd make this connection to the battery and then you just tuck this part nice safely away. And with this little cover thing here, maybe I can loop it onto something on a motorcycle. That would be great, because other than that, I have to take a piece of the motorcycle off in order to connect my little, alligator clips. And this would be like a permanent connection that I could have on the motorcycle and just have it just hanging there all the time, ready to go. And then all I have to do is connect this part to the other part, So hopefully that'll make sense. Anyways, I'm going to go connect this up to the lawnmower, and hopefully everything goes well. And until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.